Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and we're back with the territory, and we're going to ditch the factory style wheels and go for some aftermarket ones.
I decided I'ma spit it to him, laid back, flow like a nigga you can picture in the me.
Hey guys, welcome back again. We're back with Ripin, the Turbo Territory project, and as you can see, we've got some factory 17s on there. We did upgrade them from the other ones that were on there, but I'm sort of keen for an upgrade. A couple of reasons for that is I need new tyres, and also not a fan of this kind of offset we got going in here. It makes it makes it look top heavy. So we're gonna upgrade, and then with the upgrade, new tyres and a slightly better looking rim. Now these are rotor grids. These are 8.5 inch wide by 18s. They're plus 30 offset, so 5mm sticking out further than them. But yeah, we had these on the Falcon and we wanted to, you know, make use of them anyway. So we've got the standard sort of 235/55 size tyre. This is the normal size that comes out on them. I did want to go 255 for the back, but the tyres are quite expensive, so that is the plan. We'll go for a 255/50. But yeah, these are some pretty nice rims. I've had them for a bit, so I think we should chuck them on there, see what they look like. But to go along with that, we've also got some tuner wheel nuts. These things are good for these rims. Plus, it gives you a little key, stops it from getting stolen. And also, we're going for some wheel spacers. This is going to give us another 5mm each, which means the offset will be plus 25, which should make it fill up the guards a lot better. Now these ones here are actually, these are hub centric, so they do fit the hubs quite well, so there's no chance of vibration issues and stuff like that. A lot of people are weird about spacers, but I've run them for years. I'm a Falcon, come off at tracks and everything, never had an issue. But yeah, brand new wheel nuts, 5mm spacers, new wheels. Let's get into it. Alrighty, there we have it. That's the first one on. And as you can see, that fills up the guard a whole lot better than this. Way better. So, we'll chuck the other three on and we'll see what all these look like when they're on there.
One pair of pants later.
So they're off, and there we are. Oh, I think it looks pretty good. Suits the colour pretty well. Yeah, and obviously the offset on the front, much better, so it's pretty much perfect. So that in turn will make like the track a bit better, the handling should be a little bit better, and it makes it look a little bit fatter at the front too. So yeah, pretty happy with that. Got our new tuner nuts in there. So the reasons for doing a couple of things before we turbo it in EG, I wanted new tyres, and the other thing I want to do is I really want to replace the suspension components in the front. Upper control arms, lower control arms, ball joints, sway bar, links, just to make it safe before we start putting some big power through it. But yeah, that's the first step of that. New tyres, lighter rims, it's always going to help with this big heavy thing. And I may have come up with a solution for the exhaust for the turbo conversion, so stay tuned for that one. But yeah, pretty happy with that one. She's coming along. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Till the next one, see you later.
It's about time.